Everyone, this is me testing out the GTR in Grand Roleplay. The car I want most in this game. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah. Now I'm gonna. Yeah. Yeah, this is my goal in the game. Not my goal is not to crash this car. It's just to have fun while test driving it. Because like you see, I have almost zero money. So yeah, other people that play Grand Roleplay, I'm new to it, new to Grand Roleplay still. So yeah, I'm just testing the waters out there in this car. I wish this car can come to GTA to vanilla GTA 5. I wish that with no mods. I wish that, but yeah, I don't think it will happen. But hey, I can still play GTA Grand Roleplay for this car. Like I said, it's just a test drive. So far, it succeeds my expertise. Okay, see you.